2 by 3 is 6. 6 by 3 is 18. The answer is 78. 7 by 8 is 56. 4 by 8 is 32. The answer is 592. 8 by 5 is 40. 8 by 5 is 40. The answer is 440. 8 by 4 is 32. 1 by 4 is 04. The answer is 324. 6 by 4 is 24. The answer is 240. 3 by 2 is 6. 2 by 2 is 4. The answer is 64. 9 by 4 is 36. 5 by 4 is 20. The answer is 380. 1 by 3 is 03. 2 by 3 is 6. The answer is 36. 3 by 9 is 27. 5 by 9 is 45. The answer is 315. 6 by 5 is 30. 5 by 5 is 25. The answer is 325. 7 by 5 is 35. 6 by 5 is 30. The answer is 380. 9 by 9 is 81. The answer is 810. 9 by 2 is 18. 8 by 2 is 16. The answer is 196. 9 by 6 is 54. 7 by 6 is 42. The answer is 582. 4 by 8 is 32. 7 by 8 is 56. The answer is 376.